Kita nanti bersua, ceritakan segala rasa tentang cinta, karsa dan karya, karena itu adalah suara anak pulau. Suara anak pulau.
Suara anak pulau, kemana kita berlayar?
Gimana-mana?
Aduh, kok nggak ada penontonnya, sedih amat ini. Oke, teman-teman, hari ini rumah kita yang sederhana ini kedatangan tamu dari jauh lagi, dari Eropa juga. Kita ketemu sama First Tell,
Okay.
who are you?
Hello, my name is Raphael,
Hmm.
and I come from France. And I came to this island like 7 years ago, and I just came back to say hello to my friends.
Hello, Maria. And you?
It's the same. We
What's
have
your
traveled.
name? It's the same. It's just
sorry.
same. What's your name first?
My name is Clémence.
Clémence.
I'm traveled with Raf
Yeah,
7
that's
years
right then.
ago, and
Okay.
we want to come back for
Say
some,
hi again.
yeah.
Okay, thank you very much coming.
Yeah.
Our house like this, you know. Please, if you want drink.
Thank you.
Yes, of course, please.
Thank you.
So, teman-teman, Suara Anak Pulau kali ini kita bakal apa? Hah? Apa? Kopi. So, you want to coffee? No, this is
No, it's okay.
It's okay. This
very
is good.
good. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank
So,
you so much.
Rafael and you, Miss Rafael.
Clémence.
So, I'm curious. Why 7 years ago, the first time you came
Yeah.
in Gili Trawangan? No?
Yeah,
Yes.
it
7
was the
years
first
ago.
time. Yeah,
That's the
Yes.
first time.
yeah.
And then, what you make come here again?
Because we discover like very good people here,
Oh,
like good community, and we just make a little bit friends with some
Mhm.
guys and you, and so
Mhm.
we were just in Australia last year, so not so
Okay.
far, and it was
Okay,
just
okay.
the chance for us to come again, so we
Yes.
just take this chance. And
So
yeah.
you stay in Australia in last year?
Yeah.
You're working there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you back to France first and then go
Yeah.
to Australia.
Yeah.
What you do in Australia? What you do?
We were working a little bit and traveling. We were
Okay.
working like as with ship.
Okay. And
Like-
you? Same.
Women
Same.
is the same.
Yeah.
Oh, same. You what is no?
Not shearing.
Not
It was
shearing,
like
right.
the shearer was there and
Uh-huh.
taking the wool, and we just like taking the wool on the
Okay.
floor and
Oh.
skirt the wool and press the wool. And
It's with the good machine, yeah, in Australia.
Depends.
depends.
The farm.
Different department.
Yeah,
Yes.
because they've got a lot of old farm and with
Yeah.
all the machine and everything.
So you try
Still old school. but-
make ship sit on.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah, the
Gila
shearer.
kalau anak pulau dia datang dari Australia. Dia kerja di Australia cuma buat dudukin sapi sama domba. Gimana caranya duduk? So, what do you think about this island? Or this second time?
The
The first
second
time.
time.
The first time when you coming, what do you think? And then you coming back again.
It was really nice because when we first came, we just decided to spend 1 month in Indonesia,
Mhm.
and we went first to Bali,
Mhm.
and it was really busy. So
Oh.
Yes.
after 2 or 3 days, we came in this island, and we just stayed all months in the
Yes.
island. So
We
we
don't-
never
We stuck
went.
in the island.
Yeah.
So
We stayed here. It was so good. And it was not as today because there is a lot of changing in the island.
Yeah.
It was less busy on the
Okay.
island 7 years
So,
ago.
what the
Yeah.
difference for both of you? The difference 7 years ago and now you come. Even the the boys it seems but already too now old.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're still young.
Yes, you're still young again.
Siapa yang bilang gua tua? Coba. Minum. Gua nggak dikasih minum. Bang, minum bang. Drinking bang. Oke, oke. Thank you. Please.
Okay.
So the difference.
Difference.
Santé.
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 Santé. The difference.
The difference, it was less busy. I think there is more people and more building.
Now.
Now there is a lot of building. I remember on the
yeah.
north part of the island there is almost nothing.
Yeah.
You can just walk on the beach.
Yes.
And now it's impossible to make some bar
Yeah,
everywhere.
And the beach close to the ferry, it's very busy and
Very busy. Yeah.
not.
You cannot pass. Yeah. You cannot
Yes.
walk
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah.
Before 7 years ago.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think because of that, the develop it's so fast
Yes.
in Giliti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good, but sometimes for the memory, something is
Yeah.
why? But it's good
Yeah.
for our say okay.
For
Yeah.
the tourism and for the people work in the
Yeah,
tourist,
yeah.
it's good.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the changing you on your
I think
island?
for me,
Yeah.
it's sometimes the development is very fast,
Yeah.
so it's good. But sometimes it's not good when the building
Mhm.
is it's like a lot of cannot know how to make build in this island.
Yeah.
I mean the constructions,
Yeah.
something like that. Sometimes they change they build in the sea.
Okay, yeah.
Sometimes like that. But and a lot of problems now.
Okay.
But because of that, Suara Anak Pulau, because of you here, we know and everybody's hear us about what the difference.
Yeah.
Yesterday, our friends too, it's same.
Mm.
They come again here,
Yeah.
come. It's a lot of the difference. Because of that make us develop. We built.
Yeah.
We built for our generation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think one thing it's you have to be careful about your space,
Yes.
because it's very small and you don't have enough space. And more you build building, less space you have too.
Yeah.
So
And
maybe it can be a problem in the future.
Ya. Nah teman-teman, jadi mungkin kawan-kawan Suara Anak Pulau ini juga yang terjadi. Kita menurut Rafael dan ini, jadi kita harus hati-hati dengan percepatan pembangunan ini. Kalau kita nggak hati-hati, pulau kita yang semakin kecil ini akan tambah kecil. Jadi sepertinya pengusaha, every company, every industrials in here just all this thinking fast for love. After that, we have a garbage, we have a lot of the water, we have a lot problems. So, I think it's good. Nah begitu jadi teman-teman, itu juga masukan buat kawan-kawan yang di luar sana, yang ketika pulau kalian itu harus dijaga keasliannya, itu bukan berarti menolak industri. Tapi lebih wise ya, lebih behave, lebih wise to build your island, just like that ya. Sorry.
And
So-
you might have like some bigger problem coming with you say like garbage. And I think we have another vision of this because in France the government make a lot of things about the garbage, how to manage the garbage and everything, and especially in the island it can be really difficult because there is no more space and no more like place to manage the garbage, so it can be difficult too. And water,
Yes. In here, water to yes, more people sometimes coming because I know this island is already famous. So everyone, everywhere, every people want to come here because this is I don't know a lot of young people, of course, like us before. Go to they are doing something right. Yeah, but now we are so chilling here.
Yeah.
But is that? Yeah, because of that, I think. Well, you came here. You came here and we're talking in Suara Anak Pulau. Maybe our friends in Europe can see us here and we talk, and then they can help us to remember our guests. So, and if you to guilty, you must do this, don't do this, you know, just like that, and then
just give some ID.
give
too
some ID
sometimes.
too. Yes,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course, of course.
Yes.
So, what about your ID?
But the vibes, it's the same
Oh,
before,
okay.
because we are
Traveler.
very happy to see again
Okay.
Yeah, the
how
vibe
long
is
it's
still
to
there.
be,
Yeah,
Because the island is famous, maybe for the party.
yes,
I
because
think
this
so,
is
but
Trawangan.
I don't see the island this way, you know,
Yeah.
because you are not.
only party.
Yeah, and there is more than just only party on the island.
Yeah,
huh?
it's not like Ibiza.
Yeah, no.
It's not
No.
only always party, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
but in here, party there, but we have rules,
Yeah,
you know, the traditional rules
Yeah.
that make us. Have a coffee. Thank you, bro. Aduh, terima kasih.
terima kasih.
So yeah, just like that. So yeah, what about your ID? If
my
you
idea,
after 7 years, the first, and
Yeah.
then now you come in here, and then what's your idea about when the 3 days in here? So you already 3 days, right, in here. You're because
Yeah,
of
we did.
okay, I don't want to do this, or maybe you have an ID or
when I go 7 years ago, I love not so much people and not
in the island, yeah,
yes
no
Just-
traffic,
No
just
traffic, yeah.
wild, just yes, no traffic,
no
no
traffic.
and now it's different like this.
Yes.
But for the snorkeling or for just look the sunset and it's very good.
It's still the same.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's still the same.
Yeah, and there is some real good effort, I think,
Okay.
about the sea life around the island.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I saw like they put some structure to the
for the coral.
for the coral.
Yeah.
And it's still beautiful, and there is no changing than 7
Yeah.
years ago. It's still
Yes,
the same.
We are happy.
So it's nice because it's like you can see sometimes if a lot of things are not very good managed on the island, it can impact, you know, the sea life,
Yes.
and
Of course, I
it's not
agree
the
that.
case. So it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Because of that, sometimes a lot of idea to make a sea life it's better
yeah,
than in the island.
yeah,
Sometimes we thinking the sea life, but we forget the island.
yeah.
Sometimes you know
Okay.
like that. So
They are more thinking about the sea life
about
than
the sea
island.
life.
Okay.
Yeah.
because the sea life is make the island is develop, make the
Yeah.
island big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah,
It's
because
like
the
that.
tourists coming from
Because of
Yes.
that, I think.
Mm.
So for the last, we're talking again. So you like the music
Yeah.
in here?
Yes. Very good musician with.
Yeah, there is
Oh.
really good musician on
Yeah.
the island. Huh?
Yes.
You play music too?
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I was playing drums before, a long time ago, and
Playing drum?
yeah, and
Oh.
it's nice to play with other people, huh, because
What's-
it's like a language. Huh? You can
What you play drum? What I mean? What genre you play?
Like-
punk or
like rock and roll,
rock and roll?
rock and roll.
Okay.
Yeah, punk.
What
A lot of different music. We just
what the,
did
what,
like
what the
cover.
group you play? what the names group you
Uh,
play?
like
Maybe like what?
Red Hot Chili
Red
Peppers
Hot Chili
or Green Day or
Green
some
Day.
group like this. Yeah.
or the French band?
French
have a
band.
idol of-
too.
Do
Maybe, yeah, we've got a lot of French band, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, but no, I didn't play so much French music.
I only
before.
know the like song of the na 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 pada papa.
Ba-da-pa-pa,
What is it?
ba-da-pa-pa,
Pada
yeah.
papa.
I don't
Pada
remember the
papa,
name.
you know?
I have to, yeah. I have to check it to
yeah.
recognize. Okay, yeah, it's a French music.
That's a
yeah.
French music,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And it's funny because Carmen sometimes it's play and he remembers some French song. And it's like, yeah, it's really good because he remembers
what do you
like,
remember? Like what?
dans ma plantation, pourquoi ça pousse pas? You know
Ah.
this French song, you know?
Yeah,
Dans ma
yeah.
plantation.
Yesterday we are singing with Carmen and
Yeah.
the team,
Yes.
but we don't have
don't
the
know how to
voice.
sing.
It's difficult.
So for this time you come back again. For how long you want to stay in this island? For now,
1 week.
1 year?
Oh no, 1 week. Week?
No, we stay 1 week on the island.
You stay,
yeah.
1 year?
But if I can, I wish I could like
I
spend
wish.
1 year or 2
1
years in
week,
the
yes.
island. Yeah,
1 week.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Yeah.
I could. Yeah,
Wow.
I wish I could spend more time in the island. Yeah,
Yes, of
maybe.
course. I
Yeah.
hope. Yeah.
yeah. I
I
mean,
hope
if
I
I,
wish you can.
yeah,
Yeah.
I hope maybe one day spend more
Maybe
than.
you can
Yes.
come every year.
Yeah. But we will spend like the 2 next year in Australia, so it's not so far.
Oh yes, yeah. But it's
Maybe we
good.
can, yeah.
It's not so far.
We will
Yeah.
Where
come
do you
again.
stay in Australia?
In my car. So
We
in my
live
car,
in the
all
car.
around
oh,
Australia.
you
And
okay,
we
okay. You
travel
travel in
Yeah.
Australia.
We
Yeah,
work a little bit
Okay.
and we travel.
from Darwin
work.
is only for 3 hours or 4
Yeah,
hours.
it's really
from
close
here.
from Darwin. Yeah, Papua, it's
So-
really close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for now, you only stay only 1 week.
1 week.
Yes,
Yeah.
because
Okay,
we-
but you enjoy, yeah, always.
Yeah,
enjoy
we
it.
enjoy, yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
Wow. So, what you want to say to all our friends in the another island in Indonesia to do something to make maybe?
Thank you very much for the welcome
Yeah.
and stay like you are, like can keep your vibe
Yeah.
and be careful of your island.
Yes.
And
I agree.
because you live here, it's important to take care of your island and for your soul.
Yes, yes.
And
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
What about
island.
you? You can speak with French.
Uh,
Maybe with friends is okay. What I mean, you can talk with friends what you thinking, and then you can inspire it all the people. Maybe not only we can make some subtitle.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Je peux parler en français?
Fais en
Yeah,
français.
it's okay with the France.
Alors,
So-
je parle en français. Moi, je suis très contente de revenir ici après 7 ans. Alors, c'est sûr, on a été un peu étonnés sur certains changements, mais on est toujours aussi heureux et on se sent toujours aussi bien quand on vient. Il n'y a plus de pression, il n'y a plus rien, juste profiter de l'instant présent. Et je crois que c'est ça le plus important dans la vie. Donc, voilà. Et surtout, les Indonésiens, ils sont trop géniaux.
So why? Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Why? Because I don't understand. Anyway, that's for us, all the kids. Ini buat kita nih pembelajaran. Kayak gue juga, akhirnya Kobam juga belajar. Ternyata ketika hidup di kepulauan itu, kayak kita harus belajar banyak, termasuk bahasa. Biar kita bisa kayak ya kita bisa harus bagaimana belajar bahasa Prancis, bahasa Inggris, mungkin Slovakia atau Eropa, East Europe, you know the symbol, a lot of maybe Thailand. Oh, itu Thailand? Ham karam kapma, nah. Kongkuka. Okay, maybe ya kan. A lot of the different language we must learn. Okay. So, okay. For the last, ini terakhir. For the last, well, thank you for coming again. This is the last. Thank you.
Terima
Thank you.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Okay, now say something with Indonesian. Before you say with English, you say with French. Now say something,
Oof.
even only 2 or 1 words. No, terima kasih. No. different words. You must say some words too.
Okay.
Okay.
I know.
Oh, what do you say?
Selamat, bagus, bagus.
Okay.
Mau makan.
How about you?
Meno? Non?
Meno is
Minum,
island.
minum.
Menum?
Minum. Minum.
Makan?
Selamat, oke. Makan.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Oke. Thank you for coming again, Rafael. Thank you. Thank you. The last suara anak pulau. Oke. Terima kasih teman-teman sekali lagi. Tetap support kita. Jangan lupa subscribe juga. Terus lihat juga banyak juga kita punya TikTok, Instagram, dan terima kasih buat Gaya Cottage, terima kasih buat Pondok Mariana, terima kasih buat Santai Bungalow, Papi John juga. Thanks for all to support us, and then see you in another episode, see you in another video. We talking random like this. I hope you like. If you don't like, ya just like it. Oke, suara anak pulau.
Keramat kita berlayar.
Oke, wait. Suara anak pulau.
Kemana kita berlayar?
Mana.
Terima kasih.
Thank you
Terima
so
kasih.
much.
Sebelum matahari meninggi, kami sudah siapkan kopi, menanti kawan datang kembali ke rumah sederhana kami ini. Ketika kita nanti bersua, ceritakan segala rasa tentang cinta, karsa dan